turkey. I can't believe I waited so late because I did not have no space in the freezer and I don't want to squeeze my turkey anywhere, trust me. They're like, no, we don't have no turkey, you gotta come back. This is how modern kids cut onions. When you tell them to cut onions, they put on a face shield so they don't cry. Circle, white, honest, simple, turkey, tender, frozen young turkey. I don't want the young one, I want the mama or the papa. What? Hey, God no go shame us. God no go shame. Yari 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 yari. So this is actually what we have at home. We went to the store earlier to get turkey because that was the only piece that we never had at home laying around somewhere, and they were sold out. Like there was no turkey. It's crazy because this is the stuffing. This is what you stuff into the turkey. Cranberries. You need cranberries because Thanksgiving is all about cranberries. We usually get the cranberry juice and we get the cranberries because I like to put this in my stuffing. I like to put this in my stuffing with some celery. I think the celery is in the fridge. And make macaroni and cheese. That's the cheese. And we still have more cheese in the fridge. And I make apple pie. We have apples at home. So I usually make my apple pies from scratch so it comes out nice. And forge and cornbread. And I use this for my cornbread to get it really moist. And I use the flour. And we have the onions. And what else? Have Maggi cubes. Ooh, and we had this from last year. So we didn't use this. We still have this one. So we'll be using it. The only thing left is this bad boy. This bad boy is missing. Whoa. Went back to the store. And they said come back in an hour. The truck might be loading in an hour, so we could get our stuff. I actually brought out some Maggi cubes. So this is what we have in our shelves to start getting ready for. I know. Turkey. I can't believe I waited so late because I did not have no space in the freezer and I don't want to squeeze my turkey anywhere, trust me. So they're like, no, we don't have no turkey, you gotta come back. It's supposed to be seasoning the turkey 2 days before you cook it. What are we gonna do? And because of COVID and everything, it's a long line before you get in the store. They only allow a certain amount of people inside the store at a time. People buying turkey for people. They're hoarding turkey. Why are they hoarding the turkey in a Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is not gonna be good. I went back to the store again and guess what? Still no turkey. We wait. If no turkey, we use a chicken. But the Thanksgiving will not be good if there is no turkey. Oh. Let me get ready because I want to start making the punch. So right now what I want to start doing is making the cranberry sauce that we're going to use to eat the turkey. So these are my cranberries. These are my spoon of sugar. That's it. Spoon of sugar. Cranberry sauce is the queen of everything. The food tastes good. So actually make it cook, I use a cranberry juice. I'm using the diet one because I already have sugar in it. You can use pomegranate juice if you have that. So just gonna let it shimmer and cook for a little bit, and then I'll put it to cool down. And that's it. Sizzling for about 6 to 10 minutes. And real smooth. So I just had some chunk left in it. This is how I like mine. Some people don't blend it, they just cook it whole and serve it like that, but I blend it to have this texture. So since it's shimmering already, I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and let it cool off in the fridge so it's ready to use for tomorrow. That's it. Right in the bowl and let it cool off while I start making my punch. So you see how it's all solidified? Yep, so thick, right? In the fridge, ready for tomorrow. See, Fabian is even helping out, helping me peel out the onions that we're gonna use for the stuffing and the turkey. Fabian, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Fabian, pretend like you're happy peeling onions. Fabian, say cheese hi. Fabian, say hi cheese. Pepe, onions is peppering Fabian in his eyes. He left. This is how modern kids cut onions. When you tell them to cut onions, they put on a face shield so they don't cry. Yeah. He's with the face shield, cutting the onions. Woo! Fabian with the most. We're trying to make the cornbread. So it has 2 eggs. Put 2 eggs. The whole thing I usually add. So I'm gonna put like a half cup of milk. I like using this milk better. Put a half cup of milk. And then same half cup of flour. If you don't want to add sugar, you can add honey, which I use because I like honey in mine. Honey makes it taste better. Honey makes it taste better. Honey makes it taste better. But it just, this is the small amount of honey that I use. Let it drain out. And I just mix it.
It smells nice. It smells nice.
Want to taste it?
No.
No. Gonna shake it and spray right here.
Spray.
No, don't do like that. That's how you do it. If you're gonna have too much oil, you do like this. Okay? That's it. Salt. Say half teaspoon. Half. So you're gonna use this one. Yeah, no, Fabian.
Yeah.
Oh my God! How do you measure it? How do you know how many
I'm
amount
supposed to get it from inside here.
Yes, supposed to get that one, put it here to measure it, and put it here. So how did you know how much salt you put? You don't know. You don't know if you put a lot.
I didn't put a lot.
Okay. Ooh, he's up today. Ah. So you cover it up, and you're gonna get oil. Okay, so you're gonna pour it in there. Okay, now you're gonna take a spoon, fill here with flour, and pour it right here. So you're gonna move this backwards a little bit. Hello. Why you not smiling? Can you smile for Fabian on channel, please? Hello, Fabian. Am I irritating you? one they have. Put the essence inside that one. Oyibo, I did. I sabi waste money. Make the money for no waste. Boy, Fabian, trying to waste my money. Like really, Fabian? No, waste my money. I have 3 things that's gonna go in the oven tonight. All cook before we put the turkey in the morning. Okay.
Is it a pinch?
Yes, okay. Like the smallest one. Yep.
Got it.
Good. So you gotta pour it in there.
And
In your crust. Just pour it in that crust. Just pour everything in that crust. Level it properly. Make sure it's leveled. It's leveled. Then open the box and get one of the crusts. Just keep pinching it. This is just dough that they put in a pan in a box for you to use to cover the pie. So this is the apple pie we're making now. It doesn't matter how fancy you want it or how you want to do it, so far you just do it right. So we're actually all set, and the next thing is to put it in the oven. All set is our cornbread, is our apple pie. So we have our dessert all set up for Thanksgiving. Okay, Fabian is gonna check.
Wow, it looks nice. It's almost done.
Yep, you need like Canada.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is it. I think Fabian actually did a good job. It's cooling off. This is the cornbread cooling off. And
Okay, it looks nice. I just got it out from the oven right now. So this is how it looks. It looks well done. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. So I'm hoping it tastes really good once I take it off of the pan.
So you guys remember the potatoes? I went ahead and sliced them nicely. So now what I'm doing is just putting them in the pot after slicing. You have to soak them in water, if not it's gonna change color. That's the Irish potatoes. Irish potatoes? No, red skin potatoes, sorry. So I'm just mixing the cheese and the cheese. You know, if I do a detailed if I do a detailed recipe video, I will show you guys how I made this cheese sauce. And after that, I'm just gonna whisk it and put it in the pan, like how you see right here. So pretty much that's how we do those scallop potatoes. Guess what, guys? Finally went to the store, stood in line, and got me a turkey. So I'm gonna start to brine it and season it and put it in the oven in the morning. It's a pretty bird. It's a pretty big bird. It's a big bird. It's a pretty big bird. Hey, God not gonna shame us. God not gonna shame us. God not gonna shame us. Honey, suckle, white, honest, simple, turkey, tender, and juicy, frozen young turkey. I don't want the young one. No, I want the mama or the papa. Why are you giving me the young one? See these people? See these people? Ha! Hey! These people usually comes with the cooking instructions. Blah blah blah, yada 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 yada. Okay. Yada 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 yada. Woo! See guys. Hello. hello. Subscribe to her channel. It's Thanksgiving. We are doing Thanksgiving. Yes, we are. Subscribe. Yep. Damn, this thing is huge. She gonna fly. Turkey gonna fly away, fly away, fly away. I have zero chill, guys. Oh, let me prepare this turkey. See you guys later. Oh, you will put it in your mouth. That's the thing. Everything goes into your mouth. That's the age. I better come. So if you come like to they go inside it, and you can go to that side. But the rest of the time is comfortable.